So YouTube, my trap has been out here for about a week, and this was my bait. Groundhogs don't like it. Rabbits haven't been messing with it. But when I came out here today, this pot right here was overturned, sitting up there, and it looks like something's been nibbling on it. So this is going to be my new bait. Volunteer. So this is the bean plant. I have plenty of bean plants on the property, so I guess these sacrifices won't go in vain. So this is what it likes. This is what it's going to get, because it got to get up out of here, because I need to start my watermelons, start planting this stuff. And I can't plant stuff with this little groundhog running around on the property, destroying everything that's not nailed down. So it's time for it to go bye-bye today. It's out of here. Little monster. I'm gonna put it right here because it loves beans and it loves melons. So have at it. Check back shortly. YouTube, Weekend Gardener here. Came home from the store to get some bait for the groundhog, and this is the mess that I see in my yard. Here, 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 and here. Not sure what this is. I don't think it's termites. I don't feel any softness around here, but my guess is it's a gopher. I don't know. I'm gonna have to research. I came out this morning. This was turned over. And I was like, okay. Until I saw this right here. All my corn has been dug up. So something's been digging it up. If it was a groundhog, my guess is it would have ate the corn. Let's see. There's a lizard running around in here. It would have ate the watermelon, because it does like melon. Beat it. Beat it. Okay. It didn't touch this corn over here, so it's just a matter of time before it gets to it. So the bean trap that I set didn't work, so I blocked it in. That didn't work, so I'm about to try something a little different. I went to the store for cantaloupe. I didn't see any, but I found this. Hope this little critter likes this, because I got to get it off the block. You got to go. I can't be looking over my shoulder for this thing to eat all my food. So yesterday, or the day before, I noticed it was eating the peaches that had fell. So I threw some peaches in here. Nothing. So I'm going to try mango. Beat it, homeboy. Okay. So it went after the bean plant. The bean plant didn't work. So mango it is. Might as well throw a couple of pieces of peaches back there. Push this way back here. I am gonna, if I don't see it before I go to work, I am gonna stop past the store in the morning, and if I have a chance, and I'm gonna go ahead and get some. I know you hear me. I don't care. You getting caught. But I'm gonna go to Wally World pajama land, or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it bonnet land. I'm going to go to bonnet land tomorrow, and I'm going to get a half a thing of cantaloupe. I don't like it, so I just cut a couple of pieces and then put it in. Okay, you little mangy critter. I'm going to put this right here so you don't have far to go. I'm going to throw this. Crazy. That would look like a crow. All right, I'm going to throw this right here. And I'm going to put this right here. Have at it. Okay. Covered. Well, I don't need that much shade, but let's do that. Can't resist. Eat up, homeboy. All right. I'm gonna come back out here later and see what's up with the what's up. All right, your weekend gardener here. Today is to catch a predator. I have a groundhog in my yard. He has to go. My beans are coming in, and I want to really protect my beans. So I went ahead and got this bigger trap. The other day, I put a piece of melon here, but then I realized I didn't put a big enough piece back here, and I want to say smaller animals carried it off. So today, bigger piece. See that? Yeah, that's how you get them. So, Operation Groundhog Day is in effect. Get this little monster out of here. As soon as I figure out how to open this again. There we go. So, the first piece is the lure. Second piece is the trap. I'm going to go ahead and cover this so it'll last a little longer. I got it close to the hole. And we're going for it. So I'll be back out here later to see what the trap has caught.